In a world seeking sustainable options, CNPS stands out, providing innovative solutions in renewable energy. With our advanced technology and expertise, we deliver complete renewable energy solutions. Wind power, both onshore and offshore, harnesses the natural force of the wind to generate clean electricity, reducing carbon emissions and preserving our planet. Our expertise lies in providing the equipment and technology needed to harness wind power efficiently. From sourcing components to installation, CNPS ensures a seamless transition to renewable energy. Additionally, our geothermal projects tap into the Earth's natural heat, converting it into sustainable energy with zero emissions. Join us in paving the way to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Contact CNPS today to start your journey towards renewable energy. cnps.com